A is for apple. Can you say A? A, very good. B for ball. Ball. Mouse. Hi everyone, look, it's a cat. C is for cat, see? Let's find more letters. Hi everyone, D for dog. Dog starts with D. Dog, yay! E is for elephant. E makes the S sound, like an elephant. F for fish. Yeah, for fish. G for giraffe. Let's see the giraffe sway. What a fun letter, G. H. H for hat. Look at the hat go. I is for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. J. J for jelly. Look at the jelly jiggle. K for kite. Kite starts with K. See the kite fly? L for lion. Roar! Great job!
M is for monkey. See the monkey wave?
Yay, monkey! N. N for nest. O is for owl. Look, the owl is blinking. Now it's flapping its wings. P. P is for penguin. Let's see the penguin waddle. Waddle, waddle. Q. Q for queen. R for rabbit. See the rabbit hop? Hooray for R. S for sun. T. T for turtle. See the happy turtle? U for umbrella. See the umbrella open and close. Yay, U! Hi, V is for violin. See the violin? So fun. Let's learn together. W for whale. X for xylophone. Listen to the xylophone play. Y for yak. Y is for yak. Yay, yak! Z. Z for zebra. Look at the zebra trot. Z is so much fun.